It's a bug supported to Blizzard. Dude, Blizzard's not gonna... I've never heard of Blizzard appealing on our core. Do they? I misspelled Warcraft.
Warcraft.
No, I wait. You didn't open a ticket? Oh, fuck. God damn it!
Violence, violence, violence.
Oh my god! Shut up! Everyone shut up! I can't take this!
I just lost my char. Blizzard, please help me. Infamous.
Violence.
Pilots are blue. A lot of people will hit 60 except you.
I don't understand. Why are none of my tickets going through? How do I do this? Help!
Maybe the ticket will go through if you tell the ticket you are a celebrity.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was a tyrant and I too wanna violence, violence, violence.
Why I hate my community so much?
The violence knows where it is at all times.
Jeff, can you please DM me back on Discord?
My character was in World of Warcraft, was killed today due to Firelands, brain dead Firelands, brain dead Firelands.
Wait, that actually worked!
Firelands.
Can someone send me the clip? I really just sent this to Blizzard? Wait, is this the wrong clip?
Dude, I have not like being like, is anyone else
Firelands. Firelands. Let's go to the Firelands.
Oh my god! Are you serious?
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I lost the duel. My Ren was still on Nicola somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I attached a clip with proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch.